Good morning. You already know what we're doing this morning. It's January. Of course, we're duck hunting. And it is 61 degrees with light rain. 61 degrees in January. Make no dang sense. Anyway, I'm gonna go hunt this morning, try to scratch a bird or two. You know how it is here in South Carolina. It ain't like out west. Let me tell you something. Nobody from the Central or Pacific Flyways can watch my videos anyway. If they come across it. If somebody who lives out there thinks duck hunting is hard, Lord, come over here. Y'all drive down the highway and any little pothole's got 1,000 birds in it. Don't make no sense. All y'all gotta do is go find water and throw decoys out and hit a call. Anyway, that's my rant for this morning, I reckon. We won't see 1,000 birds in a season. Anyway, try to scratch a bird or two this morning and get on back to the house. I'll pick y'all back up on the GoPro. Alright, y'all, it's 8 o'clock. I hadn't even pulled the trigger. There's birds everywhere at first light, but nothing I'd really feel comfortable shooting at in range. I had a Drake Mallard work a couple minutes a while ago. He wasn't no higher than top of that tree a couple times. He was in range, but me being picky for some odd reason, wanted him right here, feet down, and he didn't like something. I think it was a mojo. I normally don't run the mojo after Christmas, but I was running it today just to try something different, which I didn't cut it off. So I had some teal buzz me when I wasn't paying attention, and my jerk rig weight I broke this morning, so I just took it and tied to that tree as a weight, so maybe that'll help. I'm gonna stay out here and keep after it. Well, guys, about 11 o'clock, I'm gonna pick up and get out of here. Some rain coming in. It's about to rain the rest of the day. And I hadn't seen a bird in a couple hours. Typical South Carolina duck hunt. I ain't even pulled the trigger. How it happens, I reckon. I had that one mallard work. He was in range 2 or 3 times. Me just, again, wanting him backpedaling feet down when he was 15 yards on top of me 3 times. I may try this area again tomorrow, not like right here. I don't know. Anyway, pick up and get out of here. Morning. Another day, another dollar. You already know what we're doing. Going duck hunting. Try to scratch for you. Pick you up on the GoPro. God. All right, guys, it's 10:30 or so. I done packed up and got out of the hole I was hunting in. Wasn't too much moving around. Decided I'd stop and check out this hole on the way out. And I saw a bird 50, 60 yards out and just jump shot. Look at this. Drake Spoonie in a cypress swamp. I mean, I'll take it, but kind of the last thing I was expecting. Of course, the GoPro was dead, of course, so y'all don't even get to see it, but he's not quite plumed. Pretty neat. I'm gonna head to the house now. Y'all be good. All right, y'all, real quick. I just want to say I was getting real frustrated this morning because I've been scouting, I've been seeing birds. I just don't ever really kill a whole lot, which I never really have. I can't call the best. You know me, you know that. I've been hunting solo a lot. Like, I turned my location off on my phone. Like, I've just been doing a lot of work. And this morning I had a Drake mallard laying behind me in some trees. Could hear him. Thought he was going to swim around to me. Kept calling. He never did. I snuck around there real slow. Eased my gun up. I mean, he wasn't far. And he jumped, flew behind a tree, missed. And at that point, I was really, really frustrated. And I had to take a step back and just talk to the Lord, say a little prayer, say, look, forgive me for just getting mad and being frustrated, and just tell him thanks for, you know, living in a place where we can do this and get outdoors and hunt deer and waterfowl and stuff like that. And on the way out, I just happened to check this little hole and jump shoot this spoonie, which I thought was a wood duck at like 50, 60 yards. I thought that was pretty cool. I think that was good Lord saying, look, you just need to quit being mad and just be thankful and continue to work hard. Anyway, I just want to tell y'all about that, but we're going to keep after them as always. Y'all stay blessed. Be good.